Alright, today I'm reviewing the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I will never waste your time with sponsored ads. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So this is a toner I picked up a few months ago, and I've had a chance to try it, and I am enjoying it so far. So, Isntree calls this a perfect toner for oily and combination skin types. Their toner uses natural EWG green trade ingredients to balance and nourish the complexion. And I don't have oily or combination skin. I have super dry skin and I still like it. So I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. And my first criteria is packaging. And they've done a nice job packaging this in a quasi-opaque bottle, which is definitely dark enough to prevent sunlight from coming in and zapping some of the good stuff. So they've done a good job with that. And the nozzle allows for a decent amount of product to come out without overdoing it. So they've done a good job on that as well. My second criteria is alcohol, and this is alcohol-free, does not contain denatured or drying types of alcohol. So that's a very good thing. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is maybe the only little slip up with this is that they do have a leaf extract in here, which is from pine needles, which gives it a bit of a piney type scent to it. It's very light. It's not overpowering at all, which are the extracts from the center of pine needles, which don't give it too much of a fragrance. It's more of a natural scent, and it's, for most people, not going to be an issue unless you have more sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, and I haven't had any issues with it. But the product would probably be a little bit better without that. But for the most part, it's not a huge issue. So unless you have very sensitive skin. The manufacturing location for this is Korea. So no issues at all with that. Ease of use, so you can use it. Some people use it as an essence where they put a couple drops in their hand and pat it onto their face. You can also dampen this onto a cotton ball or a washcloth and then smooth it over your skin after cleansing to help remove any leftover residue or makeup that might still be left over after cleansing. So very easy to use. You can use it in the morning, in the evening, or both, just depending on what you prefer. I prefer just to use it in the evening time after cleansing. So just to kind of help remove any additional residue. And then it also leaves your skin feeling pretty soft. So I'm going to just do a quick pH test. Although the first ingredient isn't water, the second ingredient is water. So I don't know. I know you guys love pH tests, so, and I do too. Kind of makes me feel like I'm a scientist. Even though I'd probably be not the best chemist or anything. So let's see. And then after you apply with a cotton ball, just let the remaining product absorb into skin. So, pH test, I'm going to say this is right about a 5. So, okay, on to antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So, green tea extract makes up the majority of this product. In fact, it makes up 80% of it. And it's a good antioxidant and a good emollient as well. So, that's a very good ingredient, and I like the fact that most of the product is actually what it's named after, which is green tea, instead of having like green tea as the last ingredient. It's like makes up the most of it. Although there are some articles I've been reading which say that green tea extract and things like that might not be as great as we're all thinking it is, and that there are potentially some other natural ingredients that could be better than that. So I'm going to definitely stay on top of that. Okay, then we've also got Ginkgo Biloba extract, which is a good antioxidant. Then we've got Centella Asiatica, good antioxidant, calming ingredient, anti-inflammatory, also helps with skin redness. Then we've got Willow bark, Alba, which is an astringent ingredient, so that's perhaps why they call this a good toner for combination and oily skin. It definitely doesn't make your skin feel oily after using, but it also doesn't feel dry. So anyway. Then we've got blueberry extract, which is a really good antioxidant. That's actually what made me interested in this in the first place, was seeing blueberry pretty high up on the ingredient list. So I was pretty excited about blueberry. So pick this up. So blueberry is good antioxidant, good anti-inflammatory, very calming as well. Then we've got evening primrose, good hydrating ingredient, licorice root extract, good for brightening and good antioxidant. So it doesn't have a ton of ingredients in this product, but it does have a ton of antioxidants, and pretty much almost every ingredient in here has a really good purpose and a point for being in here. So that's good to see. Animal testing, Isntree is cruelty-free, so that's always good to see. Performance, it does a nice job calming skin. After you use it, leaves skin feeling soft, hydrated, but not oily or greasy. Gives skin an extra bit of brightness. Also does a good job removing any leftover makeup or residue on skin. And also doesn't leave skin looking red or flaky or dry. So it seems to be doing a great job for me and my skin. And I'll say after I use this, after cleansing, my skin definitely looks and feels much better than it has with a lot of other toners and products I've used. So definitely liking it. Price, let's see. So this is the full size, which is 6.76 ounces or 200 milliliters. And it retails for about $20, although if you do some shopping, you can find it cheaper. I think I got it from Yes Style for around $10. So it's worth doing a bit of Googling before you pick it up. And then the It Factor, really like it. Love this toner, full of beneficial ingredients, no alcohol, affordable. And then I kind of picked this up because I thought this would be my affordable option instead of picking up the Amore Pacific single vintage extract, which is a good essence with very few ingredients and then a lot of tea in it. So I kind of thought this was my affordable version of it, and it really hasn't disappointed me at all. Works great as a toner, also can be used as an essence. Not drying of the skin, but doesn't leave it feeling oily or greasy, and full of good antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, well packaged. Cruelty-free. Love it. Absolutely love it. Recommend it. Definitely worth checking out in my opinion. So I gave this a 9 out of 10. It was very close to getting a 10 out of 10, but 9 out of 10 is still pretty darn good, and I'm very happy with this, and I'll definitely continue using this until I get to the end of the bottle. And at this point I would repurchase it, but then there's like a million other things I need to try in the meantime. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to check this out, or if you've tried anything else out from Isntree. What from them have you tried and how have you liked it? So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com in the Amazon link below. And thank you guys so much.